Hi guys, so right now I'm at the top of Khorfakkan and honestly this view is something else. The sky looks endless, the air feels so fresh and everything just feels calm. But let me tell you, the wind up here is no joke. Really, it's no joke. It's so strong and I feel like it could literally, carry me away any second. And I'm out here trying to enjoy the moment and keep my balance at the same time. Still, moment like this,
Welcome to
it's totally worth it.
Khorfakkan.
Being up here away from all the noise, it just gives you different kind of peace. You start to slow down, breathe deeper, and appreciate everything around you. Khorfakkan really has its own kind of beauty. It's raw, peaceful, powerful, and this wind. Yeah, it's crazy, but it makes the whole experience feel alive. This is definitely one of those places I'd come back. Maybe next time when the wind is less. Let's see, maybe. Okay, so that's all. Bye.